Hi, my name is Cindy, and I am participating in the Thursday Thrift Flip. I will be sharing thrift store items that you can use to decorate your home for Christmas. This is a great idea on how to upcycle while saving money. So check it out and see what I did with used items. I see YouTubers going to thrift shops and purchasing items for 99 cents to $3. In fact, some are purchasing merchandise weighed by the pound, and it's still cheaper than what I'm finding. Most items in my areas in the thrift shops are $4.99 and up. However, if I go to the discounted areas in some stores, I can find newer items for less. What is up with thrift stores charging high prices? Let me know what you're finding in your area. DIY number 1, modern holiday ceramic lighted house. The supplies needed include 1 lighted house, hot glue, white flat spray paint, a tiny wreath, and a red bowl. I found a ceramic lighted house with a silver roof for $1.99 and decided to upcycle it by spray painting it flat white Rust-Oleum paint. When completed, it looked good, painted just one color, and I put the light portion back into the bottom of the house and put a bit of hot glue to keep it secure because it was a little wonky. In addition, I put a piece of tape over the battery component because it kept flipping back and forth, and I didn't want the batteries to fall out. Lastly, I put a tiny green wreath topped with a red bow outside the house in the upstairs window. I turned on the light and wow, it looked fabulous. So let me know what you think about the new facade. Our wonderful hosts today are Rustic Chicks Design and the Russet Willow. The co-host today is the Crafty Art Shack. Now, these women have been flipping furniture and other items that are beautiful, functional, and sellable. You do not want to miss this collaboration, so be sure to subscribe, like, save, and comment on their channels. And there are other creative thrift flippers taking part in this collaboration, so be sure to watch, like, save, and comment on their channels as well. So now we go on to DIY number 2, a modern candle holder. The supplies needed include a copper pressure cup, crazy glue, black 5-inch round metal tray, a metal ring, and this is one that was on a cement holder from Dollar Tree, a candle, and black matte spray paint. I saw something similar to this on a high-end website. I had some supplies that I thrifted a while back at a Goodwill store. It was a round black metal tray, kind of with a lip on it, and I had a wire metal ring. It had 2 sections to it and some wires on the side, and it was originally attached to a cement candle holder also. So what I did, I took the metal round wire and I used crazy glue to adhere it to the metal tray. And because I needed something to put the candle in, I used a copper pressure cup. Now, you will find that if you go to Lowe's or Home Depot or some other store like that, you will find that some of the items that are used for plumbing are very good. So I also use crazy glue, and I put this copper pressure cup right in the middle of the metal tray and let it dry. I took it outside and sprayed the tray, the metal ring, and the copper pressure cup. I sprayed them all matte black and let it dry. Then I brought it inside and I looked in my stash, and I had a cream candle, and I put it in the middle, and I tell you, this candle fit perfectly inside that copper pressure cup. And I had a small wreath that I had obtained from Dollar Tree, and I just put that on top, and it looks fabulous. You got a little bit of red, a little bit of green, a little bit of black, and a little bit of brown. Can't get any better than that. This looks inviting in the fall or in the winter for a very moody vibe. So then let's go on to DIY a diamond cut Christmas candle. The supplies needed include a diamond cut transparent glass candle jar, 2 candles from Dollar Tree, they were also in a glass container, a pot to melt candles, and use one that don't really care about, 2 candle wicks, ribbon and a rubber band, some Christmas greenery, and hot glue. Now, you may have previously seen this glass container with orange tiles in the square pattern on the side. And I think you probably remember me saying, if you watch this video, that I just used hot glue to adhere the tiles on because I would want to use it for something else in the future. So I popped all of the orange tiles off and saved them. So I am on to using this thrifted item for the second time. And this item only costs $1. So I'm going to reimagine it as a candle. I purchased 2 white candles in the glass container from Dollar Tree. You see them, they're tall, probably about 2 inches across or 1.5 inches. So I put them in a pot of boiling water to melt the wax. And I also saved the wicks because I am using them in my new candle jar. After I retrieved the wicks from the other candle containers, I put them in the bottom of the new candle container. After the candles melted, I poured them into the diamond cut glass container. Now, originally, you will see that I only used 1 candle wick, but then I thought it needed 2 wicks, so I melted the candle again in the square vase and put the second wick in. I did not show this process because it was the same as the first time, except I used 2 wicks instead of 1. I reused some Christmas greenery and used a rubber band to hold the greenery in place. And to make it more secure, I tied a red ribbon around the vase and let the ends hang down. Well, that is all, Z9 Designs family. Make sure you subscribe, like, save, and comment. I am heading toward 1,500 subscribers on my channel, and when I get there, if you are a subscriber and have made a comment when I get to that video, your name will be entered into the pot. So keep watching. Also follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And give me that thumbs up because it helps my channel to grow. And remember, the giving of love is an education in itself. This is by Eleanor Roosevelt. So I'll see you later. Until next time, bye-bye.